Oh my goodness, Cardano, you can see the chart. Oh my goodness, this fails is unbelievable, very bad fails, my friend. This fails has broke my heart completely, my friend. What's the reason to they fails down like that? Absolutely, my friend. And the previous day, especially, they completely fails down. You can see here they completely on the last day of the of Real, my friend. After that, they've completely fails down, my friend. But this time, you can see here if we check out the current situation as absolutely starting a tech or a small gym, my friend. But they also fails down. You can see here more and more. So completely they fails down. What's the reason, my friend? They fails down. I think, my friend, the reason is that this is the start of month. So what's we do and this current time and this current time, my friend? What's we do? Please, before I start the video, I request you to subscribe this channel. Please, this is the prediction video to upcoming days. They go up or they fails down more. What we do and this current time, sell, hold, or buy. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Okay, come to the point. As you can see here, my friend, after this long and very long fail, my friend, they come down to the price is a 3.32% fails down, and the price is come to 1.32 US dollar. But the price as our target is, my friend, 1.5 US dollar. The target is 1.5 US dollar. But definitely you can see here after this fails they come to 1.32 US dollar. I can't believe this time. You can see here they also fails down more and more. After these long fails, my friends, they take a very short jump. So this is jump. You can see here after this long fails they take a jump like that. Absolutely every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation to after a long jump they fail. After a long fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down again. So definitely you can see here after this short jumps they fails down again, my friend. But you can see here the red candle is very high and very big red candle. But after this you can see here they take a small candle as green, my friend. You can see here. So I think and after this candle they also take a jump. So I think you can see here this time they moving starting off. But I hope, my friend, my expectation is very good from Cardano coin to they go up in upcoming days. This is the reason is that today fails down and the previous days, because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrencies and the start of month very badly fails down. So I think the reason is that today fails down because this is the start of month and the first week of every month, my friend, every crypto coin is very badly fails down. So I think this time they also fails down. So please remember, every holder, remember, please, this time is not a selling time. If you are a short time investor, then definitely, my friend, you sell it the last day of a month especially. But this time you know already the time is gone now, because the price has come to very cheap. You can see the price has come to 1.32 US dollar. So definitely the price is very badly falls down, and this time you can see how the price has come down to more and more falls down. So I think in the first week they fails down like that, but definitely after this first week, my friend, the second week they change the result and they're going up. They starting moving up like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon, Cardano holder. Let's check out the more details to what's going on in the market cap, what's the market cap rate, and what's the circulation rate. Everything is very important for all of you, my friend. So let's check out the more status. Click out the more status. But before, please, I request you to subscribe this channel. Please click out the red button, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification. My friend, this time if you can see here the lowest, first of all you check out this time. Okay, just a minute, I draw, you can see arrows. This time you can see here the lowest change occur as 1.32 US dollar. They hit they come to 1.32, and the same time you can see here in the current time you can see here they gone and the 1.32 US dollar. So I think this time you can see here they very bad falls down. You can see here, but the highest point as 1.37 US dollar. So it's mean today fails down from 1.37 US dollar to 1.32 US dollar. So definitely very bad fall, my friend. And if you check out my market cap rate as 3.13% they fails down. So what's the reason why they fails down? The reason is simple, and one reason, my friend, to people starting selling. People starting selling, and everyone starts sell at the last of month. So at the last of April, the last day of April, people are starting selling very highly. So therefore they are completely falls down. And my friends, Cardano is one of the fastest coin. You know, everybody know this. Cardano is one of the fastest coin, and they change occur as in positive very fastly. I hope after this fails, after this long fails, my friend, they're starting moving up again, and they are go in the more. So this time the full diluted market cap is also 3.25% fails down, and volume 24 hour as 27.32% fails down. And you can see here the volume market cap as 0.04508. So I think this is also gonna be good, but you can see here 71% they fails down the circulating supply and the last 24 hour, my friend. So max supply you can see here out of 45 billion, and totally supply you can see here 45 billion, my friend. The final decision is that, my friends, to please hold it, because this time you can see here the price is very badly falls down, and they've gone more and more falls down. So definitely if the price is going like that falls down, then we cannot starting selling. You can see here after very bad fall, my friend. I can't believe this, to why they take this time long fails down. No crypto coin as fails down like that, but definitely this is one of the fastest coin, and they fails down like a rocket. So please hold it, my brother, please hold it. I request you, please hold it. Cardano, everybody know to Cardano is one of the fastest coin, and they take a very long jump after a very bad fall, my friend. So I think this time you can see here they also take a red candle, a green candle. So I think they're going up like a rocket. So please wait for a good time. I hope they're going up like a rocket. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and update. Thank you so much once again. Please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.